Hey YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the fruit of life pattern. The materials that you will need will be a piece of paper, a ruler, a compass, and a pencil. To start, you're going to draw a line through the middle of your paper. The measurements will vary depending on the size of the piece of paper that you're working on. The second step is to find the midpoint of that line and place your first dot. Measure out the size of your circles and adjust the compass accordingly. Make sure your circles are small enough to fit 5 circles in length. Here's a picture of the final drawing to give you an idea of what I mean. Draw your first circle. After you draw the first circle, take your compass to the edge of the circle and place 2 marks on each side of the circle as shown. Now take your compass to those new marks to make your remaining 2 marks on the other side of the circle. In step 6, take your ruler and draw 2 straight diagonal lines through the circle, using those marks as your guide. After your lines are drawn, take your compass and make 6 additional marks, putting the compass at the cross point of the circle and the lines as shown. For step 8, with those new marks, draw your next 6 circles. For step 9, you're going to repeat step 7 using the new circles as your new points of reference. And then the final and last step, you're going to repeat step 8 by drawing your last 6 circles, and now you have completed the fruit of life. You can erase the guidelines if desired. Alright, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see all of you beautiful souls in the next video.